Hi guys, once again welcome to my channel. My name's R Cherry Mac. Thanks for joining me and thank you so much for choosing this channel. I'm here right again and I'm hoping that you are doing well wherever you are. Yeah, I am here prepared with another lesson and I hope you're going to enjoy. As you can see, I'm once again outside. I love outside. I love being outdoors. I enjoy nature so much, and I thought, let me just check in and shoot another video for you guys. Now today we're going to look at something else, something different, and I hope you're going to enjoy. Excuse me for the movements that are going on in this camera. I'm just trying to find a position, but yeah, I think that's better. Now guys, let's continue. Today I have a lesson prepared for you guys, and it's about how to chat with your parents from the diaspora. I mean, this is just a dialogue on the phone while you're calling your parents, and that's when you are not right in Kenya other than outside the country. So it's simply a chat through the phone, chatting to your parents that are not around. And yeah, let's get to see how this dialogue looks like. So um yeah, just to repeat myself once again, this is how to chat with your parents. You calling your parents right right from diaspora, and how you chat with them on the phone, like the dialogue you hold on the phone. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now the first thing we get to ask our parents on the phone is, how are you doing? Like, for example, you have your mom and dad. We already said your mom is called mommy and your dad is called Fafa. That's how we call them in Kikuyu. So Mami is mom in Kikuyu. Fafa is dad in Kikuyu. So you ask your mom or your dad, we moega, or Mami we moega. Mami we moega. Now I think this is a better position. Mami we moega. Or you even say Fafa we moega. Fafa we moega. Now, what is the meaning of that? It simply means, how are you? Are you fine? Mom, how are you? Mami we moega. Or you just say Fafa we moega. And what they will tell you is Torega if they are simply if they are both of them. So one of them might answer on behalf of the other, and they will say Torega, Torega, Mami we moega. If it's only one parent, he or she will he or she, if she's your mother, she will say Di moega. And if, for example, you're talking to your dad and you say Fafa we moega, E de moega, de moega, that's simply the answer to that. Now, the other thing you ask them is Mwati diatea. Mwati diatea. Mwati diatea. How have you spent your day, or how have you been? Mwati diatea. Or you can even say Buihoka mwegotidia wega. Buihoka mwegotidia wega. Buihoka is simply meaning I hope. I hope. I hope you I hope you're fine, or I hope you're doing well. Buihoka mwegotidia wega. Or Buihoka muriega. Buihoka muriega, which simply means I hope you're fine. The other thing you can say, mwekuraria wega. Mwekoraria wega, which means how did you sleep, or did you sleep well? If, for example, you're calling your parents in the morning and you just want to ask them how did they sleep, you just say Mwekoraria wega. I mean, you ask Mwekoraria wega, and they will simply say Twekoraria owega. Now the other thing you can say is how are um, how are people back at home? How are people back at home? This is how you ask that. Ado mosie mahanate. Ado mosie mahanate. Remember, I already mentioned in the previous video before. Ado means people or just human beings. Ado. Ado moshie, back at home. Mahanatia. How are people back at home? How are people back at home? And you can just answer and say they are fine, or they will answer and say they are fine. Ado niega. Ado niega goko. Or if they answer and say Ado niega, that means Ado, which is people, niega are fine. Ado niega. Or he or she might say, maybe your mom or your dad might say, Ado woko niega. Ado, people, woko, here, right at home, niega. Ado woko niega. Now, the other thing we get to ask is, or you can even say another version of this question is Ado Mario Wega. Ado Mario Wega. Are people still good, or are people still fine back at home? Ado Mario Owega. Ado Mario Wega. Are people still good, or are the people back at home still doing great, or are they still fine? Ado Mario Wega. The other thing you can say, now the answer to this simply will be, maybe your dad or your father, your mother will be the one answering the question, will say Ado matire naoru. Ado matire naoru. People back at home are totally fine. There's nothing to complain. Ado matire naoru. Ado matire naoru. Ado, which simply means people, or yeah, just means people. Ado matire, they don't have any complaints, or they have nothing bad going on. Ado mosie matire naoru. Ado mosie, which is home, matire naoru. Oru is there's nothing bad, or there's nothing wrong with them. Now, this also can answer a question to someone who is asking you Ohanatia. Ohanatia, which simply means how are you doing? Ohanatia. And the person will answer and say Dire naoru. Dire naoru. Ohanatia. Dire naoru. Dire, I am, or I don't have. Naoru, I don't have anything bad going on, or simply means I'm doing great, or I am fine. Dire naoru. Ohanatia. Dire naoru. Now, the thing we have already said right here is, maybe you are asking people, and I mean, you're asking your parents, how are people back at home? And you will say, Ado moshi mahanatia. Ado mahanatia moshi. Matire naoru. Ado matire naoru. Now, the other thing is, you can say maybe, it's been a long time that I haven't seen you people, or it's been quite a long time since we talked. So you can say this as totieregana. Totieregana. Totieregana, which simply means it's been quite a long time since we talked, or since we saw each other, or since we met. Totieregana. Or this one can also be another way of saying is this is tueregana tene. Tueregana tene, which simply means tueregana. I have already said is the act of saying it's been quite some time since we met or since we saw each other. Tene is long time ago. Tueregana tene, or you can even say tueregana gatene. Tueregana gatene, which is also the meaning of sometimes back or long time ago. Tueregana gatene. This is maybe, for example, when you are talking to your parents or your mom or your dad, and you just say it's been quite a long time since we talked or since we met, or it's been a long time. Tueregana tene. Now, the other thing is you can simply say to this, the last time I was there or the last time I was back at home was like 1 month ago or 1 year ago. Jerega kou mwaka mothiru. Jerega kou mwaka mothiru. The last time I was back at home or the last time I was there was 1 year ago. Mwaka mothiru. Mwaka is year. Mothiru is like ago. 1 year ago. Jirega kou mwaka mothiru. The last time I was there was 1 year ago. Maybe you can even say the last time I was there back at home, or the last time we saw each other was 2 months ago. Tueregana mieri ere methiru. Tueregana, I've already said. Mieri, months, ere, 2, methiru, ago, or 2 months past. Tueregana mieri ere methiru. Tueregana mieri ere methiru. Now, that's how you can simply say if you are trying to explain or just to say the last time we saw each other or the last time we met is like long time ago or it's 2 months ago. Now, the other thing is, let's say for example, maybe your mom or your dad is not feeling well or was not feeling well, or they are sick. We know, especially our parents back at home, you know, they are already aged and they get ailments or they are sick once in a while. So maybe for example you want to ask, how are they doing, or did they recover? How do you say that? Maybe for example you are talking to your mom and your mom was not feeling well, so how do you ask her? Mami newaiguire wega. Mami newaiguire wega. Mami, which simply means mom. Newaiguire wega. Did you get well, or did you start recovering, or did you feel better? Newaiguire wega. Mami newaiguire wega. Maybe your mom will tell you, will answer you and tell you, reu nindiraigua wega. Now I'm feeling better. Which means yes. Nindiraigua, I'm feeling better. Nindiraigua, feeling better. Wega, which simply means wega. Nindiraigua wega, or she can say reu, now, which means reu means now. Nindiraigua wega, or even she can say reu de mwega. Reu de mwega. Yes, now I'm feeling good. Yes, I'm healed. Yes, I'm feeling okay. I got well, and so on and so forth. Now the other thing you can ask is newahonire. Let's say for example she was sick and you just want to get to know, did she recover. So how do you ask her? Niwahonire, 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 which simply means did you recover? Niwahonire. Nidahonire. Nidahonire. When she's simply answering that question and wanting to tell you, yes, I got well, or I started feeling better, she will answer that and say nidahonire. Nidahonire. That's simply the answer to that. Now, the thing, let's go ahead. Excuse me, guys, this is going to be quite a long video. I'm sorry for that, but I'm trying to hurry up and get everything compact in a short while. Now, the other thing we get to know is, for example, maybe your mom was going to the hospital, or she was going to the clinics, you know, maybe she had to go for some few checkups. If you want to ask her, do you still go to the hospital? Or when will you get back to the hospital? Or when is your next appointment to the doctor? How do you say that? Ugashoka kiriniki re. Ugashoka kiriniki re. When will you get back, or when will you go back to the clinic? Ugashoka kiriniki re. Kiriniki is simply clinic. So as you just hear it, it's just clinic. So ugashoka kiriniki re. Ugashoka, when will you go back? Kiriniki re. Ugashoka kiriniki re. Now, maybe she will answer and say gashoka mweri uyu uroka. Gashoka mweri uyu uroka. I will get back there, or I'll go back there the coming month. Gashoka mweri uyu uroka. Gashoka mweri uyu uroka. Ugashoka kiriniki re. Gashoka mweri uyu uroka. Gashoka, I'll go back next month. Mweri uyu uroka. I'll go back next month, or the coming month. Now, you can even ask your mom or your dad, how did the doctor tell you, or how did the doctor say, or what was the feedback or the answer from the doctor? Dagitari akwirire atia. Dagitari akwirire atia. Dagitari, doctor, akwirire, what did he tell you, or what did she tell you? Atia is the question. Dagitari akwirire atia. Dagitari akwirire atia. That's the question if you want to ask what was the feedback from the doctor. If, for example, your parents are sick, and if not, then you definitely do not need this dialogue or this question. Now, or you can say weriro atia ni dagitari. Weriro atia ni dagitari. Weriro, what were you told? Atia, the question, ni dagitari, the doctor. Weriro atia ni dagitari. Weriro atia ni dagitari. Deriro dena morimo wa shukari. Deriro dena morimo wa shukari. I was told I have diabetes. Deriro dena morimo wa shukari. Deriro, I was told I have diabetes. For example, if your mom or your dad or your parents, one of your parents is answering and telling you that's what the doctor said, or that's what the doctor told them, that they have diabetes, so this probably is the answer to that. Now, maybe you want to ask your parent or your mom or your dad, do you still take medicine? Do you still take medicine? No onyuaga dawa. No onyuaga dawa. No onyuaga dawa. Konyua is to take. Dawa, medicine or medication. No onyuaga dawa. No onyuaga dawa o muthenya. Yes, I still take medication, or I still take medicine every day. Yes, no onyuaga. I still take dawa, that's medication, o muthenya, every day. No nyuaga dawa o muthenya. No nyuaga dawa o muthenya. That's when he or she is answering and telling you, I still take medication every day or every other day. No nyuaga dawa o muthenya. Now, let's go ahead. This simply covers all the conversation when you're asking your parents in, let's say, when in a situation when they were sick or they were not feeling well. That's the whole dialogue that I had prepared for you guys. Now, let's go ahead and let's see. The other thing, for example, if your parents are in the rural areas, we know very well that most of our parents back in Kenya or back at home practice farming. Now, for example, you just want to know if they still do the farming. How do you ask them? No murimaga. No murimaga. Or you can say no murarima. No murarima. Actually, that's the best formulation of this word or the sentence. No murarima. Now, we know most of them, they do a lot of coffee planting and tea planting. So, for example, you want to ask them, do you still plant or do you still farm coffee or do you still farm tea? No murarima kahoa. No murarima kahoa. No murarima kahoa. Kurima is farming. No murarima kahoa. Do you still farm coffee or do you still do farming of coffee? Or you can even say no murarima mashani. No murarima mashani. There are people who say masani, but in my own I will say mashani. No murarima mashani or no murarima kahoa. Kahoa is coffee. Mashani is tea. No murarima mashani. So now you can even still ask them, because some of them do not have coffee or tea plantation, or you know, they don't do farming. Instead they do livestock keeping. So you will ask them, no murarithia mbũri na ng'ombe. No murarithia mbũri na ng'ombe. No murarithia mbũri na ng'ombe. Kũrĩithia is the livestock keeping and rearing of animals back at home, like cows and goats. Mbũri are goats. Ng'ombe are the cows. Or you can simply ask them, if they don't do farming back at home and there are people who work on their businesses, you can ask them, no muraruta wera. No muraruta wera. And they might simply answer this question and say, no turaruta wera. No turaruta wera. Turaruta, we are still doing our work, or we are still working. No turaruta wera. Now, for example, they are business people. How do you ask them? No murutaga biashara. No murutaga biashara. Or you can say no muraruta biashara. No muraruta biashara. Are you still doing business? No turutaga biashara. No turutaga biashara. Yes, we still do business. Now let's go ahead and wind up this video. The other thing is, you might tell your parents, I'll be coming for Christmas, or I'll be coming to visit you in December. How do you say that? Negoka dideba. Negoka dideba. I will be coming in December. Negoka December. You know, most of us, we are very far away from our parents, so once in a while we want to visit them during holidays or Christmas time. So you just simply tell them, Negoka dideba. I will be coming in December. Or you can say, Nitugoka na family yakwa thigũkũ. Nitugoka na family yakwa thigũkũ. Nitugoka, we will be coming, na family yakwa, with my family, thigũkũ, during Christmas time. That's what we call Christmas time, thigũkũ, or kirithimathi. Nitugoka na family yakwa thigũkũ. Or you can say, Nitugoka na family yakwa kirithimathi. That's simply how you say, if you're telling your parents you'll be coming during Christmas, during December time or holidays time, you just simply say, Nitugoka na family yakwa thigũkũ. Now let's go ahead. The other thing you can tell your parents is, for example, if you want to bid them a goodbye, or you know, you've already talked a lot on the phone and it's time to wind up the conversation. How do you wind that up? You can say, motigetigwo motikege na kahinda kega. Have a good time or nice time. Motikege na kahinda kega. May you have a good time, or have a blessed time, or nice times. Motikege na kahinda kega. If it's one parent, you can say kahinda kega. Kahinda kega. Simply nice times. The other thing, if you want to wind up, you can tell them, namugeithanie, namugeithanie. Please greet people back at home. Or mugeithanie mushi. Mugeithanie mushi. That is when you are referring to both your mom or your dad, and you are giving them, you are telling them to greet people back at home. You can just say, mugeithanie mushi. Mugeithanie mushi. Or you can say, namugeithanie. Please greet people back at home, or greet everyone. Mugeithanie. Kugeithania is greetings. Kugeithania is greetings. Now, the other thing you can say, you can say is, mugeithie andũ othe. Mugeithie andũ othe. Pass my greetings to everybody or everyone. Andũ othe are everyone, every person or everybody. Andũ, we have already repeated and said that is meaning people. Othe, everybody, in one compaction, or everyone. Mugeithie andũ othe. Mugeithie andũ othe. Mugeithie andũ othe. Now, you can even you can wind up this conversation and still say, hwaĩ-inĩ mwega. If, for example, you are calling in the evening and you just want to tell them, I wish you all a good evening, or I'm wishing you a nice evening. Hwaĩ-inĩ mwega. Nice evening. Hwaĩ-inĩ mwega. Also, you can say, if you're calling them at night, you can say, ũtukũ mwega. Ũtukũ mwega. utuko mwega, meaning have a nice night or have a good night. The other thing you can say, tigwoi na thayo, tigwoi na thayo, tigwoi na thayo. I'm wishing you peace, or I'm wishing you may you be left in peace, or I'm just wishing you all the best, or may you have a blessed leave out, or just saying see you. Tigwoi na thayo, tigwoi na thayo. Tigwoi is just like leaving out someone or just ending something. Tigwoi, or just to be left, like when you're telling someone bye bye. Tigwoi, tigwoi. Now you can say tigwoi na thayo, wishing you peace, or may you have a peaceful time, or I'm just wishing you a good time. Tigwoi na thayo. Thayo simply meaning peace. Now, to end and finalize this conversation, which has been completely long, is you can say thayo wagai, thayo wagai, peace of God. For example, you have talked to your mom and dad, or your mom or your dad, and you just want to say, just to cut it short and say peace of God, or leaving you with peace, or God bless you. You can just say thayo wagai, thayo wagai, thayo peace, wagai is God, or ngai means God. Now you can just simply say thayo wagai. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this long video. I want to apologize once again for making this conversation and this video completely long. It was not my intention, but it just came out the way it is. I hope you're going to enjoy it, and I hope you are going to learn something from it. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, please feel free to use the comment section down there. Don't forget to comment, to like, and even to share this content to your friends, to your family, and everybody else. And yeah, with those words, I want to wind up everything. I'm wishing you all a nice week ahead. I hope you are all enjoying your time back at home. You are enjoying your summer holidays and even the summer season. For those who are not having summer, I hope you're also enjoying the winter or whatever